I know you're really psyched to go see Star Wars. I know you. I know you were going to have the best time. But before you go see Star Wars, look at this thing from NASA, from real NASA looking at a real thing. This is NASA's animation, which shows the world's biggest cities and the amount of greenhouse gas that they give off. NASA has a megacities carbon project. One of the things they're doing with that project is testing out new ways to measure the output of greenhouse gases. They're running experiments on this subject in ginormous world cities like Paris and in Sao Paulo, Brazil, and Greater Los Angeles. And in Greater Los Angeles, NASA has a new point of focus now, a new very specific, very American place in the global search to understand what we are doing to the planet, for better or for worse. And that's because for the past couple of weeks, this has been going on. Actually, for the past couple of months, this has been going on. We've been showing you these time-lapse infrared images from Porter Ranch, California. Porter Ranch, California, an underground natural gas well has been leaking almost unimaginably enormous amounts of methane since October. You have to use infrared imagery like this to see it, because to the naked eye, the natural gas looks like nothing. You can't see it. But this is a huge, huge leak, and it stinks, and it's flammable. A few days ago, the FAA banned all airplanes from flying within 2,000 feet of the leak, partly out of concern for pilots who might fly through that giant toxic plume, even though they couldn't see it. Here's the other NASA part, though. Tonight, we can tell you that even though all other aircraft are banned from the site of this giant leak, NASA has requested and now received special permission from the FAA that they can approach that no-fly zone. We've now learned that NASA wants to break the no-fly zone and send an aircraft up there near the leak so they can try to measure this thing themselves. NASA officials tell us they may use a plane like this one, which is an ER-2 aircraft, which handles a wide variety of environmental science and atmospheric sampling. That's a plane that has a human crew. Or they might send up a pilotless drone, depending on what they think is going to be best and safest. Whatever they send up there over Porter Ranch, NASA's going to have plenty to look at. In addition to the methane, this thing is apparently giving off tons and tons and tons and tons of carbon dioxide. California regulators say the leak is releasing what amounts to 1 million metric tons of carbon dioxide per month now. Remember, it's been leaking since October. According to the data the state released this week, that's basically the equivalent of driving 210,000 cars for a year. That's what this gas leak is belching out into the atmosphere every month. This ongoing disaster in Porter Ranch, California, has already forced the evacuation of more than 1,000 families in the area. Los Angeles County declared a local state of emergency this week. And today, in an emergency meeting, the LA Board of Education voted to shut down the schools that are nearby the leak. And they're temporarily relocating nearly 2,000 students from this area. We've needed pictures from special cameras in order to see this billowing calamity thus far. But with these new emergency measures at the local level and the new data from the state, and now our National Space Agency planning to start flyovers, it is getting easier to at least see just how serious this thing is. The gas company says plugging this leak could take up to 4 months. Watch this space. When you do, you will soon be sharing that job with NASA. The Force Awakens.
Hey YouTube fans, I'm Luke Russert. Thanks for checking out our MSNBC channel. Subscribe by clicking right here and click any of the videos over here to watch the latest breaking news, mini documentaries, conversations from Shift, and other digital exclusives. Check it out.